Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. Assalamu alaykum warahmatullah wabarakatuh. We welcome you back to Halal Dollar Training and Coaching Program, and we ask Almighty Allah to bless our efforts. Today I want to give you the documents for everything you need for your agency. You can see that this is for the dental care. For those of you that you like to choose dentist as your target niche. So this is for assisted living, this for carpentry, this for chiropractor, eye care, fitness coach, gyms, HVAC, plumber, roofing, solar, and so on. So we are going to be adding more, but these are the ones we have done for now, and this is just enough. If you choose this one, dental care, so this is going to be the link to the website. After logging into your Go High Level account, just click on this. It's going to copy this particular funnel, this particular website to your account. After logging into your Go High Level account, then you can click on this. So because if I should click on it now, let me just copy it and try to open it in incognito. You are going to see how it's going to look like. Because I've not logged into my High Level account, you can see what it's showing. So this is not what you want. So but if you log into your Go High Level account, your Total Reach account, and you click on this particular link, you open it, it's going to copy it to your account, and you're going to have it like, if you come to this particular place, site, and you come to this website, under website, you are going to find it here. You can see all the ones I already have here. If I want to open this here, you can see how it's going to look like. I can just click on this. So when I click on this, I click on this particular one so that you see how it's going to look like. You can see this for the dentist, dental care. Get high quality dental appointment using our plug and play system called Fiti. We generate high quality appointment. You can see everything. So very nice website. So we have already designed everything for you. So when you copy it, you copy this into your own website and it becomes yours. So if the person comes here, your client, you can click on play.
Welcome to Salaam Dental Solutions. We specialize in helping dental practices like yours acquire high-quality patients. These are individuals actively seeking dental care services. Here are 5 compelling reasons why we stand out in the field of patient acquisition. 1. We provide you with fresh patients who are ready to schedule appointments right away. 2. The appointments generated are exclusive to your practice. They won't be shared with other dental offices. We generate them specifically for you, using your practice's name and brand. 3. We work exclusively with one dental practice in a specific area. We consider ourselves as the marketing team of any practice we serve. We cannot work with 2 companies in the same area. We are either serving you or your competition. 4. Our cost per patient acquisition is the most competitive in the industry. 5. We offer a comprehensive, done-for-you patient conversion process. It's a proven system used by leading dental practices across the country to ensure that every patient turns into a recurring customer. There's no better time to get started than now. Ready to take your practice to the next level? Click the button below to schedule a consultation. Let's explore some success stories, hear from satisfied clients, and see how we transform dental practices across the nation. Don't wait any longer. Click the button now to schedule a consultation with us. Thank you.
So when the person clicks on the button, it's going to bring out this. The person is going to enter his name and email address. So when the person enters that, and the person is going to click on book a meeting. So you are going to have it on your own calendar, on your website, that somebody has actually booked. Click to book the meeting, and the person is going to be referred here. So when the person comes here and the person click on this, or the person find another date here and the person click on this, the person is going to choose the time and is going to click on continue. The person will fill out this form, the name, last name, phone number, email address, additional information, and things like that, and the person is going to schedule the meeting with us. So we are going to jump on the call with the person and we are going to close the person. So this is how it works for all the niches. So if you like, you can copy all the niches. There's no problem. You can choose one now. If you don't like it, you can go to another one. But I've already advised that you should at least try a niche for 1 month or even 2 months before you can switch to another one. But all these niches are working. It depends on you, how you try to do the work. So may I make it easy for us. That's as regards to the website. So as for this Loom audio link, just have it too. We're going to show you how to use the audio link, this Loom audio link. and the loom messages, we are going to show you how to use it too. And these are the scripts you are going to use. We mentioned that if you want to message people, you are going to use loom and you are going to use non-loom. So this is the sequence for the loom. This is the main message you are going to send to the person. Then this is going to be the follow-up 1 after 48 hours. This is going to be the follow-up 2 after another 48 hours. And if the person watched the loom, this is going to be the message you send to the person. If the person doesn't watch the loom, this is going to be the message you send to the person. But when you are not using loom, this is going to be the message you send to the person. So this is going to be the follow-up after sending that one after 48 hours. For the person who, when you are not using loom, you can say non-loom. So and to the end like that. So basically, when we want to pitch people now, we are pitching with loom and we are pitching with non-loom messages. So you have to do the two. So as for the non-loom, you can start that one anytime from now. But the loom, I have to show you how to create the loom and how to use it in the next coming videos. But this is everything you need. So this for the dental care, assisted living, carpentry, anything. So you should know the keyword you are going to use. Do you understand? If you are targeting the dental care, you can search dental care. If you like, search dentist. Try to get the keyword. Make research by your own self, or you ask other people in your group. So try to make research by your own and know the perfect keyword in order to locate the dentist and the dental care centers. The same thing to assisted living too. Try to get the keyword by yourself. So there's no keyword that is perfect. Just try to test and try to get the keyword you can use to do this. So the same thing to carpentry. So may Almighty Allah make it easy for us. So I'm going to be sharing the link of this in the description. Also, I'm going to share it in the Halal community group. I'm going to share it there. So when I share the link, you can copy it. If you have the link like this, you won't be able to edit it. So what you can do, if you want to be able to edit this and you want to make it your own, just click on this file and you click on make a copy, and it's going to be editable for you. So if you like, edit anything you want to edit. But the permanent link that is going to be untouched, that is not going to be altered by anyone, is going to be this link I'm going to put in the description and also in the Halal community group. We ask Almighty Allah to assist us. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah wabarakatuh.